If you only remember one line from this video, make it this. A chatbot talks, an AI agent does. You already know the feeling. You ask ChatGPT a question, it gives a smart answer, you nod, and then realize nothing in your real life actually changed. According to Amazon Web Services, an AI agent is software that interacts with its environment, collects data, and uses that data to perform self-directed tasks toward a goal you set. In normal human language, it is a computer helper that can sense, think, and act for you. One Medium article describes it like a helpful robot assistant. You tell it the mission, it figures out the steps, then it actually carries those steps out instead of just chatting about them. So what is the real difference from a chatbot? Sources like Cognigy say chatbots are mainly reactive. They wait for your input and answer questions. AI agents are proactive. They can reason, plan, and use tools or apps to get work done. Here is a quick test you can use. If it only answers questions, it is a chatbot. If you give it a task and it goes away, does multiple steps, then comes back with a finished result, it is acting like an agent. Under the hood, experts like AI engineer Harrison Chase describe agents as 3 parts. A language model that thinks, tools that let it act like browse the web or edit files, and guidance that tells it what it should and should not do. Most agents follow a simple loop, which AWS also outlines. They receive a goal, plan tasks, break the goal into smaller actions, then perform those actions in order or based on conditions until the outcome is reached. Here is the subtle but important point. You do not need to care about the plumbing to use agents well. What you care about is spotting multi-step behavior like researching, creating a document, then filing it away without you babysitting every click. Let me show you a simple agent-style task you could copy. Imagine you ask an AI to research 3 YouTube titles for your next video, write the descriptions, then organize the results into a table you can paste into Notion. On screen, you will see an example of that as a single request instead of a back-and-forth chat. Now, let us talk about 3 concrete ways you can start using agents today without touching code. The first is inside tools you already use, like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, or Copilot, by treating them as agents with a clear role and multi-step goal. For example, you can say, "You are my research and writing agent for this project. Your goal is to summarize these 10 pages, then draft a 1-page brief, then create 5 social posts from that brief." You are not coding, but you are asking it to think and act through several steps. The second way is to use no-code agent builders. A Mind Studio guide points out that the no-code AI platforms market is growing fast, from under $5 billion in 2026 to a projected $12.25 billion by 2031, because they let non-technical users design agents visually. According to that same guide, these tools give you drag and drop workflow builders, so you can map out an agent's logic, test changes, and update it without writing a single line of code. Think of it like a flowchart that turns into a working digital coworker. The third way is to plug into ready-made agents inside business tools. Pipefy reports that no-code AI agents already scan resumes and flag top candidates, review purchase requests, and suggest suppliers and cross-check finance data for odd entries. Think of each of those as a tiny digital worker with a clear job description. As one guide from AI Fire puts it, an agent is like having a digital helper for a specific role, such as a researcher, customer service rep, or scheduler. So here is your 1-sentence mental model. A chatbot is a smart conversation. An AI agent is a smart co-worker that can take a goal, figure out steps, and do them for you. Your action step is simple. This week, pick one repetitive task you do and try phrasing it to your favorite AI as a mission with clear steps, not as a single question. If this was helpful and you want more plain English AI how-tos, hit subscribe and I will see you in the next one.